Hi everyone and welcome to day 15 of 21 days of SQL challenge. So, so day 15 challenge question is you need to create a comprehensive service analysis report for a particular week, week number 20, showing information like service name, total patients admitted that particular week, total patients refused, average patient satisfaction, the count of staff assigned to the service, and the count of staff present that particular week. And finally, order the patients admitted in descending order. In order to write a query to create a comprehensive service analysis report for week 20, basically join three tables, namely staff table, which contains the information about the staffs, the staff name, staff ID, the service they work in, and the service table, which contains the information that we required in the output, like service name, total patients admitted for that particular week, the patients refused, and the patient satisfaction. All this information present in the service weekly table. First of all, I simply join the staff table with the service weekly table on the service. And from the service weekly table, I have taken the information like the service name, max of patient admitted, max of patients refused, as total patient admitted, as total patient refused. I have taken here a max because in a service weekly table, we have a weekly data for each services. Instead of using a count or summing the data, we already have a data in the weekly basis. So that's why I only use the max function, which gives us an accurate result. In case of patient satisfaction, here also we can use the max function, but in order to have a better understanding, I simply use the average function as average patient satisfaction. And finally, this the result of this I have joined with the staff schedule table, because we want to know the information whether that staff is present in that particular week. That information is present in the staff schedule, and I've joined on the staff ID and a week column. And I simply filter the data for a week, particular week 20. And finally, I group the data as I am using the aggregator functions here on a service column, and order the data on the total patients admitted in the descending order. So let's quickly run this query. And most importantly, we need to calculate the total present staff, as we are filtering the data for week 20, but we only want the staff which is present in that particular week. For that, I have used the case statement which with condition saying if the staff is present, then return me the staff ID, and I'm taking that distinct ID and simply counting the whole staff IDs are present in that particular week. Yeah, that's it. And let's run this query. Yeah, we get the result like service names, their total patients admitted, patient refused, average patient satisfaction, the total assigned staff is around 27 for the service general medicine, but the staff present in that week 20 is around 24. Similarly for the services like surgery, emergency, and ICU. And that's all about the day 15 challenge question.